What's going on, guys? Ryan with Car Audio Inc. Gonna be doing another tool unboxing video. Today I got in the mail a Porter cable 6-inch variable speed random orbit polisher. I don't know, some people like when I do these, so I figured I'll just unbox any semi-interesting tools. So this is the 7424 XP. Comes with a 3-year limited warranty, 1-year free service, and a 90-day money-back guarantee. I got this on Amazon, so I will put the link in the description. And I'm probably not opening this correctly. No, I'm not. Oh, oops. It's too late now, but I guess I can finish it nicely. God damn it, what the hell's wrong with me? Okay, so right off the bat, we got a baggie with a manual, a handle, a wrench, and some sort of washer. Might be threaded, I don't know. So you get a bag with a manual. Comes with a foam pad. Let's open this up, take a peek. So I'm assuming, I feel like an idiot sometimes, but I feel like either I'm completely wrong and you can just use this as a polishing pad, or this is meant for like wool things to go over. Okay, so here is the tool itself, and that's it. So there's not much to this, but that's okay because we bought a tool. We didn't buy a bunch of shit. But as you can see, it comes with a handle which goes here or here, on-off switch, standard 220 plug, of course. Yeah, I don't know. It's weird because I don't know, a couple of my other unboxing videos did well, but it's like I'm not sure what else to say about it. Oh, here's your variable speed adjustment, 1 through 6. I don't know, do we want to try? Okay, so it just threads on. That's not too hard to... Oh, you fucking cocksucker. Oh, that's what the wrench is for. Durr. I'm the kind of dude who reads the manual, but I guess for these videos I just like to make a fool of myself. I mean, I think that's pretty self-explanatory. Should be. But I've been wrong before. So this is what you're looking at. Not sure what the... This is a washer, right? or it might be a spacer, washer, whatever. Who knows? I'm sure it'll tell me in this thing, which I'm not going to sit here and read for you guys. I'm assuming, yeah, so that's how you do it. Very nice cord, feels quality. Nice strain relief. Kind of reminds me of Makita strain relief. I got this one because somebody I respect quite a lot uses it. Sprayway Customs. He has the Porter Cable DA, which I guess is what this would be considered, because but it's kind of like, it's the shape of most of your standard polishers, but it's random orbital, so it's dual action, which is really nice. A lot of the DAs that you see kind of look like palm sanders, so this is nice and heavy duty. But yeah, very highly recommended tool. It comes highly recommended. I'm sure you get cheaper ones, more expensive ones, whatever, but this is the Porter Cable 7424XP. So there you go. Catch you next time.